Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be reviewing Shine Armor. This is amazing product guys for some of you that try to keep your car clean all the time like I do. And you can see guys, we just got a brand new project here at the shop, so stay with us and we're going to demonstrate how Shine Armor works and how it can make your car look like brand new again. So let's start on it now. So the kit actually comes guys with microfiber towels as well. You can check it out in the description of the video below. And this is pretty much guys waterless wash, shine and protect. Amazing product. So how that thing works guys, stay with us and we'll demonstrate now. So what do you guys usually do? Okay, you shake that thing really good. You're going to wet the quad. Okay, right here now you have on and off. Okay, open like that. Super cool design. I'm going to spray some on the quad, then I just do small area, okay, like that, and I'm going to wipe it quick. Okay, wipe it like that, and then you flip on the other side, immediately flip on the other side and just buff the residue out. Okay, and look at that thing, nasty spot right here guys on the hood. Okay, and all that will be gone in just a couple of wipes. That thing smells amazing. Okay, it's just amazing product guys, and it makes the car super shiny. As a result also guys, what it does, it makes it fortifies the paint and it makes it like static to where it doesn't keep dust. That's what I noticed, that this doesn't stick to it. You can use it on plastic, you can use it on glass, you can use it on anything guys. Okay, let's see if we can do the windshield quick. I'm going to do one more coat here. Okay, now the chrome. Chrome is usually really hard to keep clean guys, as you know. So just a couple sprays. Okay, check this thing out. Now I want to show you on the plastic as well. You can do plastic guys, just the same way. You can use it on anything. Look at that thing, how shiny everything gets. So usually when we go to places, to the car show or the truck, okay, we take that product with us and it's amazing. I love it. Because no matter, even if you wash the car an hour before that, okay, it's always gonna get dirty. So it's always easy to give it one spray and make everything shiny like new again. So usually it takes me no more than 5 minutes to do the whole car by myself, as you can see, just like that. So I'm going to demonstrate right here guys. You can see how terrible it is. I'll just do half of the bumper. Check out now. Okay, the result guys. Okay, you can tell the difference yourself, but definitely guys, this is amazing product. Okay, it takes only a couple seconds to make your paint look like brand new again. So these guys, this is amazing product. Check it out in the description of the video below. It's something that we'll definitely recommend. With one bottle I usually do the car about 5 to 10 times, depending how bad the car usually is too. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.